Nandito kami ngayon guys sa Devon Cliff Caravan. And I will show you kung ano meron dito. Ito yung view namin. Ayun yung view namin. Ayun yung bata, makulit. So ito yung aming caravan. Yung iba, may mga patio ganyan. Oh. And then, meron dong, ano yung bird na yun? There's a aeroplane. Aeroplane. Ayan. Sak na tayo dito, be. This is our... Let's look inside. Be careful ka dyan. So, ito sa... This is the room. My dryer. Ayan. Ganito lang kalaki yung room niya. Double bed. May mirror. May another room here.
This is my one.
Oh, there's another room here. My mirror, my closet. And then this is the toilet. Venice on. And my shower there. Ayan, my shower. My heater. And then the gas.
We have a freezer.
Freezer.
And we have a fridge.
Yeah. All the food is from us. Now put here. And
then some stuff in here.
yeah, may mga utensils here. So,
And this is where...
there. Okay. May sink. There's a bin. Oh, it's nothing.
Just
Just
soap.
salt.
Just soap.
There's microwave here.
And the plates are up there.
Yeah. There's a plate there. And then, this is our daddy. This is our daddy. This is the sofa. There's a TV. There's a... Ano tawag dito here? What do you call that? So, it's my fire extinguisher. There's a table. 4. Maybe this room is good for 4. We are 3. And then, how's the signal? No? 0 for ano daw? 0 for the internet. This is the view. Ayan yung aming view.
And this is...
And look at that view.
Look at this.
And look at that view. Oh, that's the view. Oh my. You hear the view? It's the view. So, ganito lang siya kalaki. Ganito yung space. 2 rooms. Ayan. 350 daw for 3 nights. 3 nights din na?
Yeah, 3.
Okay. And then, but look at the view naman. Oh. Sulit sa view. Sulit sa view. Ayan. What are you doing, be?
I'm checking every single floor.
Oh, how about the oven? Can you cook? No? Oh, okay. How can you rate here, be? 1 to 10. How many? 10? Why? She really likes this place. Me? Ay, 100. 8 lang. The 2% is no internet. There's no internet connection. Oh, daddy.
Out of 100.
I don't know. I don't have ano now. Maybe just a start.
Mommy, just how do you like it out of
80? Oh, there's a freezer. We need an ice cream later. We get the ice cream later. So, before you go here, make sure you have foods to cook. There's nothing food here. Yeah. I don't know. Punta kami sa shop. Andito kami sa labas. Ang laki niya, dear. Ang laki niya. Oh, ito yung mga shops. Caravan sale. Ay, laki naman ng ano na to, bench na to. Ha? Oh, may slim chicken. May shops. Mini market. Dito tayo slim chicken. Ay, may mga ano na naman dito, Venice. Souvenirs. Some beach Annie. Yung mga gusto ko eh. Venice, where are you? Ang dami na naman. Goodness. What did you found?
Candy floss.
Oh, there's a lot of shells. Oh, seashells.
Get on the tree.
Ay.